Okay, let me introduce myself. I was born and grew up in Moscow, Russia. In those days, every middle school child was supposed to be a member of the Young Pioneers, and that's what this picture on the right shows. Then I received my bachelor's degree in linguistics from Moscow State University, which is the oldest and most prestigious university in the Soviet Union then and in Russia today. Then I came to the United States to do my graduate training also in linguistics, and now I hold a PhD degree in linguistics from the Graduate School of the City University of New York. Before I moved to the College of Staten Island in 2002, I was a postdoctoral fellow at the University of Pennsylvania working with psychologists. Currently, I'm a professor of psychology at the College of Staten Island. I also hold appointments at the PhD program in linguistics and in psychology at the Graduate Center. My research has to do with cognitive psychology. In particular, I specialize in psycholinguistics, and I work with people who speak more than one languages, known as bilinguals. The method that I use in my research is called eye tracking. And eye tracking is a wonderful method because it allows us to look into the mind of people when they listen and produce language. It's equally good for usage with adults and children, and that's what I do. I work with young adults who speak two languages, in my case, Russian and English, and I also work with children as young as 4 years of age. I do have an eye tracking lab at the CSI with two eye trackers. One of them is portable. Just the picture on the bottom right is a portable eye tracker that I usually take when I conduct research in Europe. Now, let's talk about two important things for the class. One is, this is the textbook that you will need to use. This is the second edition of Research Methods in Psychology by Beth Morling. Do not get the third edition. We don't need it. We will be quite happy with this one. Finally, to give you an idea of what the previous distribution of grades was, this is one of the classes I taught a few years ago. And as you can see here, the most frequent grade is a B-. But there is a relatively good number of students who receive the B+ and above. I welcome you to this class, and I hope that it's going to be a good experience despite all the problems that we've been having this year.